In today's video, we are going to show you how to cancel your Google Flow subscription. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged into your Google Flow account, I want you to hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon and click the Manage Membership. Inside your membership page, you will see all your active subscriptions linked to your Google account. And of course, all I have to do is scroll through the list and locate your Google Flow subscription. When you see the option to cancel membership, I want you to do that, okay? Click the Cancel Membership Plans and click the Cancel. Now, Google may ask you why you are canceling, and if you want, you can choose a reason and confirm by clicking the Cancel Membership. Once completed, you should see a confirmation message saying your subscription has been canceled, all right? Now, I'm not going to do that since I'm still using Google Flow, but if you do, remember to just click this button right here. And please take note that you will still have access until the end of your billing cycle. You won't be charged again after the cancellation. And make sure you cancel at least 24 hours before renewal. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can cancel your Google Flow subscription. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.